person inside, the truth behind the transformation. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like the person staring back isn't really you? Maybe you feel tired, bloated, heavy, not just in your body, but in your heart. But here's the truth. It's not just about weight, it's about health, energy, confidence, and life. This isn't a simple before and after. It's a now and possible, both living in one moment. That larger silhouette, it's the weight of inflammation, hormonal imbalance, poor digestion, and toxic buildup over time. And inside is the real you, bursting with strength, clarity, and life. This isn't body shaming. It's self-empowerment, a journey of healing from the inside out. Why natural slimming matters. Forget the crash diets and quick fixes, and your body isn't broken. It's just overwhelmed. At Easy Slimming, we believe in natural, nourishing solutions. Gentle detox support, hormonal balance, anti-inflammatory healing, gut health restoration, nourishment over restriction. No harsh stimulants, no crash protocols, just honest, effective support so your body can thrive. It's time to change the goal. This isn't about a number on a scale. It's about waking up with energy, feeling good in your clothes, glowing skin, clear focus, and a life filled with confidence. Because when you feel your best, everything else follows. Whether you're starting fresh or you've tried it all before, this time it's different. Start with one step. Start with one belief. Your body can heal. Visit our website to start your journey today.